Hello, Miss Jet. Oh, hello, little babies. 1, 2, 3. Everybody's here. How are the kittens? Oh, that's the stuff for the birdies. Oh, did your water freeze up too? Oh, that big googly bear. Ow, my foot is stuck. Watch out, little. Hello, everybody. Yeah. How are the kittens? My goodness, you guys are really zooming around. Oh, so yes, they officially have. Oh, hello, Googly. They officially have their names now. So we have Little Wolfie, the one with all the long fluff, and then over here, the white face. Come here, look up. That's sorry, that one is Ash. No, Cinder. Sorry, that's Cinder. And this one is Ash, the one that looks like Miss Jet. Hey, little babies. And then Miss Jet, of course. Miss Jet, that's for the birds. Hey, that's for the birds. No, that's not for you. That's the yucky stuff. Don't go. Oh, your water froze up entirely last night. Shoot. Alright, we'll go heat that up after. We'll heat it up and get you some fresh stuff. Oh dear. Oh, there you are. Hello, little Cinder. What a cute kitty. Oh, here comes a big bear. A big little bear. Boop. Oh my. Oh, it's cold this morning. Mr. Kitty's got all your fluff. You got lots of fluff. Alright, I can hear the birds absolutely freaking out over there, so I gotta go do that right away. Meow, meow, meow. Yeah, I love you. I love you, little kittens. Yeah. Hello, Wolfie. Look at you and your long fluff. And Miss Jet. Like my boots. What are we doing? Silly little kittens. Okay, come on, I don't want anybody getting hurt. Boop, whoop, we go. Boop. Alright, to the birdies. Bye-bye, everybody.